Nothing like a big old Santa Claus to start the evening off. Okay, we're in the park now. Real easy to get in today, but it's still early. It's a Friday. Okay, I have my rewards all set here, and now it's time to go in and see what we got. Oh, so there's a scavenger hunt, and I don't know, I won't have time to do it this time. Maybe next time I come. We have a lot of the cast actors out today.
Hello!
Hello! Happy holidays!
Lovely day for it.
Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Happy Christmas to you all.
Ah, Merry Christmas. There's Father Christmas himself.
Yes, he's right there.
Ho, ho, ho. How about a...
Yes, good to see you.
Come on, you.
Ah!
Yeah. I don't say that too much because people around here mistake me for Santa Claus.
But you're not.
No, and
You're
I have
Father
to tell them
Christmas.
I'm Father Christmas, but that's all right. I've been called worse than Santa, and not often much better.
Okay. Thank you. We're in the park. It's going to be about another 20 minutes before Globe Theater opens, and we'll be able to get the hot chocolate and the cookies. But let's take a look at some of the sights around here. So far, we've got all these blue lights of the Christmas trees. So let's take a moment, take a look, and enjoy. So when I first came in, it seemed like it was going to be an empty park, but about 3 minutes later, a flood of people came in. I don't know where they came from, but there's a lot.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a lot of presents. We wish you the best with everything. Good health, luck and prosperity. And a Happy New Year. A very, 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 very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Father Christmas meeting his fans. So I'm in the Globe Theater to get my hot chocolate and cookies. It's kind of dark, but it's cold out, so that hot chocolate is going to taste good. Okay. Nice little bowl of cookies and some hot chocolate and ready to go.
The newborn King of Kings who opened heaven's door. Bells over Belfast.
Oh, the fountains are off. Oh well. But the pot of gold is still there. Okay, we're walking into France now. It's getting a little bit darker, but this is really nice. Nice colors towards the night on ice. Ooh. 6:30 is the next show. Shot of the bell. which has a great assortment of wines for sale. As it gets darker, the park's really looking nice, well lit, so it's very enjoyable. Looking nice. Gingerbread characters. Hopefully they're the same ones. Oh. Underneath Alpingen. Okay, we're in Germany. We got greeted with a little bit of snow, but it looks like it's over. Santa Radar is on the scene. He's coming soon. I don't know what he's saying, but I tell you, Santa's got somebody very happy. He's very enthusiastic. Hey, last year this wasn't a thing. Here it is this year. Dark Coaster.
You better not tell. I'm telling you why.
Sorry I won't be here to see the light show. At the end of the day, they have a fantastic light show with the trees and music. Maybe I'll give a highlight of what happened last year, but I won't be able to stay for this one. Now that it is darker, things will look even more spectacular. Camera to keep in focus because it's so dark. This bridge is beautiful. Here's another view of the angels as we go into Italy. And here we are in Italy. It's going to be one heck of a sight. Here's a Christmas tree that's kind of tucked away here in Italy. As you can tell. Yeah, you get your hot chocolate, and you can do a little bit of wine tasting in here. And of course, you can buy whatever you taste. So Busch Gardens has its own Festival of the Lights, even though they don't call it that. But they have hundreds of thousands of bulbs. It's very well lit. It's beautiful. And in the background, we're on our way over there to check out. I just changed the setting, gives you a better idea of how beautiful this is when it's lit. There's Holiday Hills over there. But we're not going that way, we're going this way. Okay, we're getting ready now for polar pathways to flights. This is a new show, and right before you see how this goes, I want to record the whole thing.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, so that show is where Pompeii is now. Last year was just these lights, but they really did a good job, and I hope I don't get copyright flagged when I post it. You know, I have a hankering now for a Ham's beer. You old folks know what I'm talking about. Well, that's going to be it for the evening. First off, I want to apologize for the crazy camera work, especially the sound. I have a new camera that I'm trying out. In any case, thank you for watching. I also want to give thanks to Edutainment for being an inspiration to me in doing these Busch Garden videos. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next video, which will be soon. Also, I'm going to leave you with last year's Christmas lights at the end of the night. So here's a little bit of that. Okay, see you all. Bye.